apa kabar? Saya Esther Sambo, bakal nemenin Popnoters sampai setengah jam ke depan. Nah, Popnoters bingung nggak sih dari tadi saya ngapain nih ngeliat-ngeliat Blackberry? Nah, memang saya ini sedang mencari makanan, Popnoters. Nah loh, kok mencari makanan lewat Blackberry gimana bisa? Itu dia uniknya makanan ini, Popnoters. Karena makanan ini, makanan India ini yang sangat unik, mereka mengiklankan keberadaan mereka lewat Twitter mereka. Jadi ini kayak saya, salah satu followernya mereka, Twitter followernya mereka. Di antara hampir 4.000 followers lainnya, saya mendapatkan update setiap mereka kasih tahu ada di mana nih sekarang, ada di mana nih sekarang. Nah, katanya sih tadi ada di Maryland sama 7 Street. Di mana ya itu? Berarti ini sih udah di 7 nih yang benar. Kalau gitu saya mau cari-cari di mana Marylandnya berada, dan kalau udah ketemu nanti kita tanya-tanya tentang konsep unik mereka ini, karena mereka juga katanya sampai dandan India gitu, Popnoters. Ayo kita lihat sekarang, dan saya akan terus mencari sampai ketemu.
Gila, ini bendungan gede banget. Gak cuma tinggi tapi juga besar dan membentang dari perbatasan Nevada sampai Arizona. Jadi mencakup 2 negara bagian. Dan kamu bisa lihat di belakang saya ini ketinggian mulai dari di bawah sampai ke atas itu 726 feet. Nah, silakan hitung sendiri berapa meter tuh ya. Nah, Popnoters, mungkin kamu ingat film Transformers yang pertama itu di-shoot di sini di Hoover Dam, dan ceritanya robotnya ini dikarantina di dalam dam ini. Tadi kita udah lihat di dalam sana, tapi nggak ada tuh robotnya.
The antagonist in that film, the robot, I can't remember the name, supposedly was created here at Hoover Dam. So we had this 12-foot high robot running around up and down the floors out here.
Wow. Did you get a lot of films shot here today?
We don't get as many films as we used to since 9/11. We've really cut back on the permissiveness of allowing film companies particularly to come in and shoot. Prior to that, we used to get a lot of films. We'd have 1 or 2 or 3 a year that would be shot here. They've been shooting films in Hoover Dam since the early 40s. As a matter of fact, Hollywood has been here since the early 40s. So yeah, it's a very popular set.
This is kind of cool. Sekarang saya berada di Nevada dan sekarang saya berada di Arizona. Kalau di sini jam 12 siang, di sini masih jam 11 siang. This might seem obvious, but why is security very tight?
Well, it's simply that because of the importance of the dam to the southwest.
But is it considered at high risk for terrorist attacks?
I know it's considered at high risk. It's certainly the type of target that quote-unquote terrorists would be looking at, or anybody who wanted to do some damage to the water and power system would be looking at. So we have a pretty robust security program.
But how much has it changed since 9/11?
We've added some security since 9/11 that has raised the security profile, I'll just put it that way. The checkpoint that you came through, for example, on the way down here was added after 9/11. Did not exist prior to that.
Oh, really?
We have some additional security measures within the dam itself that allow us to be a little more observant. We did have in place, if we had come through the visitor center, you go through a security check just like you do at an airport.
Oh.
That was put in place after the Oklahoma City event. So there's things that have occurred, as I said, as events have happened, we have reacted to those. structure inside there.
Sekarang bersama saya adalah Mark, pengunjung yang datang jauh-jauh dari Australia. Hi Mark.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good.
So what brought you here today?
I just wanted to view the dam, see how it was made.
What have you heard about this place?
Nothing at all, really.
Really?
Yeah. I knew it existed, but I've never actually been here. That's why I'm here.
Okay. And you took the tour?
Yes.
What do you think about this?
Fascinating. With the technology that was back in those days, during the war, and just the construction, it's all brilliant.
This is the first time?
First time here.
So what made you want to come here now?
Just had heard about this new bridge, heard about the dam, and had never spent any time in this part of Nevada, and wanted to make a trip out, so it was in Las Vegas. It's not very far away. So.
Okay. So this is one of the things that you have to do when you're in Vegas area?
Yeah, I think so.
Wah, hebat banget ya. Hoover Dam ini merupakan bukti hasil karya manusia yang bisa menciptakan sesuatu seperti ini, bendungan yang sangat besar dan tinggi dan bisa bertahan selama lebih dari 70 tahun dan membangkitkan listrik untuk banyak negara bagian di Amerika ini. Nah, sekian dulu kunjungan saya di Hoover Dam bersama Ningrum Spicer di balik kamera. Saya pamit dulu, sampai ketemu lain kali. Bye!